Hi, are you someone who loves Ganesh Chaturthi, loves all the 10 days of celebration and festivities and everyone coming together and loves worshipping Lord Ganesha? I have the perfect kit for you. Well, this is our Shadu Mati Ganpati kit. Here are 5 reasons why you need to get this kit right now. Number 1. It has this beautiful eco-friendly clay that's called Shadu Mati. Shadu Mati is basically, it's a naturally occurring clay that is found on the river banks in Maharashtra and Gujarat and other certain parts of India. We get this sourced from there so that you can work with the most organic material while celebrating Bappa, but and not hurting the environment at the same time. It's such an easy kit to do because Number 2, it comes with this detailed video of an expert who's been teaching how to make these amazing Ganpati Murtis at home for the past 20 years. I mean, he's taught more than 10,000 people how to make this. Everybody from like a 5-year-old kid going up to a 90-year-old lady. So you get this exclusive video as a part of the kit where you get to understand exactly how to make it. And he simplifies it so much that, anybody can make it. Number 3, more than 5,000 people have actually used this kit and made their own Ganpati idols at home. And trust me, you can see the proof right here. We have seen so many families send us reviews, send us videos, send us pictures of them taking this opportunity, to teach the young ones about their culture, about stories of Ganesha. And it gets so interesting for them because it's not a passive listening thing. It's about them getting involved and making it and being a part of the festival in the most inclusive way, right? So that's definitely number 3. Now, number 4. It comes with all the material you need. You don't have to go sourcing anything at all. You get 2 kgs of Shadu Mati in this, which makes about almost a feet tall Ganpati Murti. You get some acrylic paints in it, you get the sculpting tools, you get the messy mat, you get this little, piece of wood on which you can make the entire idol. So it's easy for you to, once you're done, you can pick it up and take it. And you also get a red puja cloth so that once you're done making the murti, you can put the puja cloth and cover it till the Ganesh Chaturthi day. Number 5. This beautiful murti that you make out of the kit, you can do a home Visarjan again in the most eco-friendly way. You don't have to think about discarding it in the river or in the sea or going to one of those POP stalls and giving it, because what you can do is literally remold the clay. So Bappa, instead of letting him go, you can keep him with you. When you put this entire idol in water and keep it for some time, the clay, you can start, it starts melting down into its original form. It turns into this silty little clay dough. So the kids at home, they can actually redo something with that clay, make little trinkets, make little things maybe for your mandir and keep Bappa with you. And you don't have to let him go. So yeah, that's number 5. So 5 reasons why you should get this kit right now.